Whisk your dry ingredients together, cream the butter and sugar until fluffy. Add eggs, vanilla, and buttermilk. Gently fold in the flour mixture, divide into pans and bake. Wrap and chill the layers for 2 hours. Whisk the egg whites and sugar over a double boiler. Whip on high speed until stiff peaks form. Gradually add the cubed butter while mixing. Beat in vanilla, salt, color. Mix until it is perfectly silky smooth. Pipe a small dot of frosting on a cake board to secure the bottom layer. Fill between each cake layer with a smooth spread of pink buttercream. Apply a thin layer of buttercream over the outside of the crumb coat. Chill for Apply a generous layer of blush pink buttercream around the entire cake. Use an angled spatula and bench scraper to achieve razor-sharp edges. This creates an ultra-smooth finish. Chill the frost. Gently press fragments of edible gold leaf onto the sides. Use tweezers or a soft paintbrush. Flick subtle metallic gold splatters across the cake. Paint delicate veins across the frosting. Gently press fragments of edible gold leaf onto the sides. Use tweezers or a soft paintbrush. Flick subtle metallic gold splatters across the cake. Paint delicate veins across the frosting.